Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A74, and today I'll show you how to enable the portable hotspot. And to get started, what you want to do is pull down the notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. Now if you haven't added any kind of toggles, it should be like right here where my battery saver is by default. But anyway, once you find it, you can hold the toggle. This will quickly take us to the settings. You can tap right here, personalize hotspot settings, and let's start off with changing the password. As you can see, it is nothing special right here, it's just some randomly generated letters and numbers. So we can remove this one and set our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. Now additionally, we do have settings for name. This is going to be the name of the Wi-Fi that you will create by turning on the hotspot. So you can change it if you want to. By default, it's always going to be the name of the device. And lastly, we do have the AP band. We have a choice between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Now, this is going to be a little bit tricky here because not every device will support it. So what I would recommend you to do is turn on 5 GHz, turn on the hotspot, check if your device sees the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. If it simply doesn't see anything by this name right here, then it means that it just doesn't support it. And all you will need to do is go back and change it to 2.4. But the benefit of 5 GHz greatly outweighs just a simple need to check it. So change it to 5 and see. If it does work, then great. You're gonna have a way better experience than with the 2.4. From here, let's tap on the check mark. And once you have saved the settings, all you need to do now is simply turn it on whenever you want it by tapping on the toggle. And there we go, it's right now enabled. Now once you're done with it, you do want to turn it off, otherwise it's going to be using a little bit more of your battery for no reason if you're not using it. So anyway, that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.